In this video, we're talking about solo ads when it comes to affiliate-based marketing, building an email list using solo ads, and the number one tip that I recommend as a beginner when buying solo ads to make money online with email marketing, and that is this, right? So my name is Alex, I'm a super affiliate online. All the information is below this video. Anyways, I like email marketing. I build email lists so I can just send out emails with affiliate links in there and make money. Now, we're talking about solo ads. So say if you go to like Udemy, right? Udemy.com to buy some solo ads. What most people would do is they go to Udemy, they might spend $300 on solo ads. They tell them, here's the email and here's an affiliate link, and just send people directly to the affiliate offer. Now, I don't really recommend that because we have to understand the whole totality of everything. These email lists, right? People forget why they signed up for the email list, right? So a helpful tip is you tell them to write this email, but the link inside the email leads them to a bridge page, right? The bridge page is simply a one-page website that reminds the person on the email list why they signed up for the email list, why they clicked the link, and why they should click the button below to go to the affiliate offer. Because yes, the person that you're buying the solo ad from might have 100,000, 200, 300,000 plus email list that you can purchase or get access to. But also understand these people will sometimes forget why they signed up for this email list, or they forget in general, right? So simply by putting a bridge page inside the email and just a one-page website that looks like this, and simply just remind them, hey, you signed up for this email list, my name is so-and-so, I recommend you click the button below to go access to get access to the affiliate offer. But simply remind them why they click the link, and remind them why they should go to the affiliate offer to solve a problem or XYZ, right? If you remind them, the conversion rate will go up because, like I said, people sign up for email lists every single day. They forget they have a life. Everybody has a life outside of the internet. So by doing solo ads and spending money, the best thing to do is simply create a bridge page, and inside that bridge page, you remind them, hey, my name is Alex, this is why you are watching this video right now, because you're looking to lose weight, or you're looking to make money online, XYZ, XYZ. I highly recommend you click the link below to go learn more about the opportunity. If you create a bridge page inside of your solo ad email, you will get better conversions and you will make more money, because the person that now clicked the link inside the email goes to a bridge page, understands what's going on, and you put them in the frame on clicking the button below to go to the affiliate offer so you make money. Create a bridge page, put that inside the solo ads, and you'll get better conversions. If this makes sense to you, click the link below to go learn more about what I do. Leave a comment, subscribe, peace out.